is Shib a good investment in 2024? That's what many people are probably wondering. Many people have probably been in Shib for a very long period of time. And first of all, I have to say, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Okay. That's not what we do here on the channel. And I will also say that there are no guarantees in crypto. Nobody knows what is going to happen. Now, I'll get to the metrics in just a second here. When we look at what Shib has done to start 2024, it hasn't been off to the best start. It's down about 12% on the year. Now, I will say it's not the worst performing asset. It's not the best performing asset. And good is a speculative term. For some people, good might mean a 10x. For some people, good might be 10%. It all depends on obviously what your goals are, what kind of investments you're used to. So that's kind of where we're at from there. Now, with Shib being down 12%, is that an indication of what is to come throughout 2024? No, not at all. The short-term movements don't dictate the long-term future. We've been in plenty of periods where we've dropped for a month and then gone on a massive explosion to the upside. For example, take a look back in September. We went on this long extended multi-month drop, and then we had this explosion to close out the year where Shib price basically did a 2x, okay? Which by some people's standards, that would be good. So now that we've kind of fallen down into this range, we're basically waiting for that next leg up. Could Shib explode and do very well throughout the rest of 2024? Absolutely. We've talked many times about the removal of liquidity from large entities, right? Pulling Shib out of exchanges, allowing for easier upside movement. Really what we need is essentially a trigger, right? We need something to kickstart things. When Shib gets out of these low levels of liquidity, price can move faster. That's where it can tackle higher prices easier. Again, there's no guarantees in crypto. Nobody knows what's going to happen. But what we also need to look at is the things that are taking place that are going to affect Shiba Inu. We look at shibarium. It says impact of influencer endorsements. This is talking about more so Elon Musk. I'd say what I say when it comes to Shib has no effect on it whatsoever, right? Again, we're not an influencer. We're a content creator. That's what we do. We talk about all the things. So what this also talks about is metaverse, talks about utility and dApps, the influence of the halving when the crypto market just as a whole begins to run. So what this talks about is Shiba Inu, short-term outlook. This talks about a decline, things like that. What I want to talk about is opportunity. And really what I've looked at these dips as is opportunity. It's been time to continue accumulating and adding to my bag. Do I think long-term that Shib price is going to move to the upside? I do. And this is, again, not financial advice. The reason I say that it's likely to move to the upside is historical market cycles. We go through these periods of correction. We go through these periods of consolidation, and then we go through these periods of growth. And what we're entering right now when it comes to Shiba Inu is a period of growth. Remember, since basically the end of October, or October 18th, it was October 19th, we've been in an uptrend when it comes to Shib. All right. If you eliminate this drop period, we've been in an uptrend since the middle of September. And that's a positive sign. But again, it may not be at the rate that people want. But what you need to remember when it comes to Shib is that it moves the fastest near the top. Look at how fast and how big and explosive these candles are. Down here, Shib moves like a snail. Right now, Shib is essentially not a late market mover, but it's one of the last movers. If you look at the last few times when BTC has kind of made runs, Shib has lagged, and then you've seen some of the coins like Shib and Doge and things like that kind of explode late and go on their own little runs. That's the best way to look at Shib. That's why I don't get discouraged right now. Shib is probably one of the slowest movers in my bag right now, but because of the metrics, because of the data and the things that we talk about a bunch, I know Shib at this time is likely going to move slower than other coins. And that's okay, because all it takes is one pop, one big whale buy, one endorsement, one additional influx of utility, right? Things like that could be the catalyst, the spark that really get things going. So is Shib a good investment in 2024? For me, it is. It's something that I'm holding long-term. I plan on holding through this bull market cycle and seeing what possibilities can really arise, because 2025 will really likely be that best year, not just for Shib, but for crypto as a whole. So again, this is not financial advice. There's no guarantees, but hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Show your support below. Let me know your thoughts. Have a great day. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.